interview part 2.
It's actually part 1.
Part 1 with Caitlin.
Don't say my last name.
Here she goes. So, Caitlin, how do you think about the Michael Jackson ghost we saw on the news?
Ew. First of all, you're a girl, which is kind of awkward. Second of all, people, I think it was not scary because I like watching Ghost Whisperer, Ghost Hunters, Ghost Adventures, Paranormal Activity 2, and Ghost Trackers. So I'm not surprised by seeing a ghost on YouTube.
So, how do you think about no school?
I think it's very awesome to not go to school. Although I am almost the baddest girl in school, but what can I say, people?
How do you feel about teachers giving attitude?
Sometimes you just want to slap them silly. Like me, I almost slapped my teacher once. Well, I didn't almost slap her, but I just got silly. Okay, I know all that and all, but you don't need it all in my face, Kayla. Yeah, baby.
Okay, thank you for watching.
I want to see.